Imo kwenu. Hey, kwenu. Hey, kwenu. Hey. Hi my friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. You can tell that I'm so excited for this recipe today. Today I will be showing you how to make OFE NSALA, also known as white soup. Can I get a round of applause, please? This recipe is super fun and easy to make, and it is quite delicious. Like, I love making this recipe because of how delicious it is and how easy it is to make, and it does not even take so much to make it. Just little ingredients and you pull up something really delicious for yourself. How do you feel about this? Without so much being said, please quickly hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop your comments and your suggestions in the comment section. I love to see your comments. Your comments give me so much joy. I'm not even lying. I'm not joking. So please drop your comments in the comment section. And without so much being said, let's get right into cooking. The first thing we are going to do now is to boil our yam. We have some yam here. Wait, hold on. Let's go through the ingredients real quick. We have some beef here, and this is cow head, but you can use whichever part you want. You can even use catfish or any kind of fish or any part of beef you want. You can even use goat meat. It works perfectly, but this is what I have available, so this is what I will be using. I also have some already peeled yam. I soak it in water to stop the browning process of the yam. So we have our peeled yam here. We have some smoked fish. We have our crayfish. I already rinsed my crayfish. I don't like blending my crayfish into powder immediately because of the dirty. So I like to rinse my crayfish first before I blend it. We have our habanero pepper for hot spiciness of the food. We also have our yellow pepper. This pepper is very spicy, and it gives this soup a lot of flavor. I love using this pepper whenever I want to make any kind of soup. We have our boullion cubes. We have utazi leaf. You don't want to skip this leaf when making your OFE NSALA soup, so it's really important, your utazi leaf. We also have our salt. We have our ogiri. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this well, but people actually call it ogiri, so you should know what I'm talking about. And for extra flavor, this is like my secret to my OFE NSALA. It gives it that pong, like it boosts the flavor of our OFE NSALA pepper soup spice. People don't usually add it, but I add it to mine, and it makes it super flavorful and yummy, interesting, delicious, name it. And everything I just listed now are the ingredients we are going to be using. But don't worry, do like this, calm down, because I got you. You'll be seeing the full ingredients in the description box. So it's either you save this video, download this video, and also check the description box to check the full ingredients when you want to go to the market, so you can have a list to yourself when you go to the market. So now that we've gone through the ingredients and we've done the necessary things, let's boil our yam. So this is my trick. I love to boil more than enough yam. The reason why I love to boil more than enough yam is because people usually pound the yam after boiling, but I'll be using my food processor because I'm a soft girl. You don't expect a fine girl like this to be carrying more than fish to be pounding. I'm joking. You can do anyone you want, but because I don't want to stress myself, I'm not going to be using mortar and pestle to pound my yam. I'll be making use of my food processor. And because I'm already making use of my food processor to pound my yam already, I will be saving some of the yam or most of the yam to pair with my soup. So I'll be eating OFE NSALA and hot pounded yam. That is the reason why I sliced more than enough. Ideally, we just need 2 slices of yam to make this soup. But because I want to pair this soup with pounded yam, I'm going to be boiling all of this yam. I'll take the little one I'll be using to make the soup, and the rest of it I'll be serving it with my OFE NSALA. So let's boil our yam. While our yam is cooking, let's make the base of our soup. I will have to blend the crayfish and the pepper first before I proceed to transferring our meat into the pot and adding the rest of the ingredients into the pot. So let's blend our crayfish and our pepper. I'm sure by now our yam should be properly cooked, it should be soft already. And if you notice, I did not use any salt to boil my yam, and that is the way you should do it too. You don't need salt to boil your yam when you are going to add salt into the soup, so that your soup will not be too salty. So don't add in salt when you are boiling your yam, and you don't even need salt when you are making pounded yam. Nobody adds salt to pounded yam, so you don't have to boil your yam with salt. So now that our yam is properly cooked, let's process it. You can pound yours, you can use a food processor. The main thing is that we should get the same result. So shall we? And just like that, we've pulled up this deliciousness, and now is the moment of truth. Let's give it a quick taste. You can already tell that it's going to be delicious. The crayfish in it, the yellow pepper would blend well with the red pepper. The ogiri Igbo gave it the special Igbo fragrance that everybody loves and everybody loves to perceive. So let's just test it first before we overhype the food. Spicy because of the amount of habanero pepper I added to mine, but you can reduce yours if you don't like spicy food or peppery food. But aside the spiciness, everything tasted so good. It's very delicious. You should know the reason why Igbo people hype this food, because it tastes so good and it's very easy to make. So you really want to try this, right? So if you've not subscribed yet and you've gotten to this stage of our video, you really need to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because I would love to see you in my next video. Don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section, your suggestion, what you feel about this recipe. Tell me if you'll be trying out this recipe, and if you eventually try out this recipe, don't forget to send me feedbacks on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok. I'm very much active on Instagram and TikTok, so I would love to see your recreation. Just send me feedback on those social media platforms. It gives me so much joy when I see your recreation. You can even drop your feedbacks on the YouTube comment section. I read comments and I love it when I see your comment. I literally just be smiling when I see your comments. You already know I love you, and I would love to see you in my next one. Bye.